The Sony A7 III is a full-frame mirrorless camera that was released in 2018 as an upgrade to the popular A7 II model. It incorporates many advanced features from Sony's top-of-the-line A9 and A7 III cameras in a more compact and affordable package. The A7 III has proven to be one of Sony's most popular and highly regarded cameras in recent years. Body and design. The A7 III features an updated exterior design compared to its predecessor. The hand grip is deeper for more comfortable holding, there's now a joystick to quickly move the focus point, and the rear LCD screen tilts up and down. The body is constructed from a magnesium alloy frame and is dust and moisture resistant. The camera is also slightly heavier than the A7 II at 650G due to its more robust build. One major advantage of mirrorless cameras is their compact size relative to equivalent DSLRs. The A7 III body is approximately half the size of a comparable full-frame DSLR like the Canon 5D Mark IV. This allows the A7 III to maintain a small form factor but still accommodate a huge full-frame sensor inside. The electronic viewfinder, EVF, has a high resolution of 2.36 million dots which provides a very clear image. The rear 3-inch LCD touchscreen can flip up by 107 degrees, and down by 41 degrees for flexible viewing angles when shooting stills or video. Overall, the A7 III has an excellent body design with a durable construction. Image sensor. At the heart of the A7 III is a 24.2 megapixel XMOR back illuminated full-frame sensor. Sony improved upon the sensor design from the older A7 II to maximize resolution, dynamic range, and low light performance. The backside illumination increases the amount of light captured by the sensor. The standard ISO range is 100 to 51,200 and this can be expanded to ISO 50 to 204,800. Dynamic range is wide at 15 stops according to Sony measurements. This allows the A7 III to retain excellent levels of highlight and shadow detail in high-contrast scenes. Having a full-frame sensor provides a number of advantages over cropped sensor mirrorless cameras. It allows for superior light-gathering abilities and creates an extremely shallow depth of field when pairing the camera with wide-aperture lenses. The full-frame sensor plays a major role in providing the A7 III with outstanding image quality across various shooting situations. Image processor and performance. Sony improved the image processing system in the A7 III with the upgraded Beyond's X processor, which also powers their flagship A9 and A7 III cameras. This allows the A7 III to have a maximum continuous shooting speed of 10 frames per second when using the mechanical shutter, or 8 FPS with live view. The fast 10 frames per second burst speed makes the A7 III well suited for action photography when capturing rapidly moving subjects. Overall, the processing system and performance capabilities of the A7 III are very impressive for a camera at this price point. Video capabilities. Beyond just still photos, the A7 III contains highly advanced video features and performance. It can shoot full HD 1080p video up to 120 frames per second and 4K video up to 30 frames per second, without pixel binning in the Super 35mm crop mode. 1080p slow-motion video can be captured at up to 960 frames per second. The A7 III uses the ZAVC-S codec to record video at high bit rates up to 100 megabits per second. This allows greater flexibility when editing videos in post-production. There is also the option to record in the more compatible and widely supported AVC HD format. With its outstanding sensor and processor, the A7 III can capture high-quality 4K footage with excellent detail and minimal noise. The full-frame sensor provides the ability to shoot movies with a very shallow depth of field and pleasing background bokeh. An external microphone can be connected via the mic input for advanced audio recording options. The A7 III has a very capable autofocus system when shooting video, made even more effective with the latest firmware updates. Focusing performance. Sony has developed an advanced autofocus system for the A7 III called the Hybrid AF system, with 693 phase detection points covering approximately 93% of the image sensor. This allows for incredibly quick and accurate focusing for both still photos and video recording. There are various focus area modes to choose from, including wide, automatically chooses focus points, zone, clusters of selectable points, center, flexible spot, adjustable precise point, and expand flexible spot, uses focus points surrounding the selected point. This high-performance AF system makes the A7 III a very capable camera for many different types of shooting scenarios. Battery life. One common issue for mirrorless cameras compared to DSLRs is shorter battery life, since the electronic viewfinder and rear LCD screen are always drawing power. However, Sony managed to significantly improve the battery life of the A7 III compared to its predecessors through more efficient energy consumption. The A7 III is powered by the new NP-FZ100 battery, which has a capacity of 2,280 mAh. This allows the camera to take approximately 710 shots per charge when using the viewfinder, or 610 shots per charge when using the rear LCD screen. This is a drastic improvement from the A7 II, which only provided 350 shots per charge. Connectivity and ports. The A7 III contains both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity to allow linking the camera to smartphones or tablets. This provides useful capabilities such as transferring images to mobile devices, remote camera control, and adding GPS data to images. For wired connections, there are a variety of ports. Micro USB port for data transfer and charging. Micro HDMI port for HD video output. 3.5mm external MIC port for improved audio recording. 3.5mm headphone jack to monitor audio levels. Multi-interface shoe for attaching accessories like flash units or XLR audio adapters. Dual SD memory card slots allow overflow recording from one card to the next, separating RAW files and JPEGs, or just simply doubling your storage capacity. The A7 III uses fast UHSII-compatible SD cards for maximum performance when recording video, or shooting bursts of still images. Overall, the connectivity options of the A7 III allow it to smoothly integrate into a variety of workflows. Photographers and videographers will appreciate the versatile wired and wireless connectivity abilities of this camera. Lens mount and lenses. The A7 III uses Sony's E-mount lens system, which provides a short flange distance between lens and image sensor for wide lens compatibility. With the right adapter, Sony E-mount lenses can be connected to camera systems from Canon, Nikon, Pentax, and other brands. Sony has developed many high-quality E-mount lenses optimized for their full-frame cameras. There are a variety of choices from ultra-wide angle to super telephoto. Third-party lens manufacturers like Sigma, Tamron, and Samyang also make high-quality options for Sony E-mount. With its excellent combination of image quality, performance speed, focusing capabilities, and high-resolution sensor, the A7 III is a superb camera for capturing stunning photographs. Here are some examples of how it excels for different genres of photography. Landscape. For landscape images, the A7 III provides amazing dynamic range and color rendering to capture the beauty of natural scenery. Thanks to the high-resolution sensor, landscapes look incredibly detailed with immense amounts of sharpness. Portrait, skin tones are rendered very naturally and accurately straight from the camera. IAF makes perfectly focused portraits easy to achieve. The fast speed allows capturing candid moments as they happen. Sports action, the fast burst shooting, responsive autofocus, and great battery life allow the A7 III to reliably capture split-second moments in action sports or fast-moving kids or pets. Getting the shot at the decisive moment is easy with the capabilities of this camera. Low light night, excellent high ISO performance, and 5-axis stabilization allow the A7 III to produce perfectly usable images even when shooting handheld in very dim light. This gives photographers the ability to capture scenes they wouldn't normally be able to with other cameras. Overall, the image quality, focusing performance, resolution, and speed make the A7 III a spectacular choice for photography. Sony A7 III for video. Beyond photography, the A7 III is a highly capable video camera as well. Here are some examples of how it performs for different types of videography. Cinematic video, the full-frame sensor provides beautiful background bokeh and shallow depth of field with a film-like look. Slow and quick motion effects can be achieved when shooting in the 120 frames per second, 1080p mode for additional cinematic options. Documentary journalism, excellent autofocus and facial recognition tracking capabilities allow run-and-gun style documentary videography. The great low-light performance provides flexibility when recording in dim environments. Dual card slots allow extensive uninterrupted recording times. Vlogging and social media, the flip-out rear LCD makes self-recording convenient. IAF can accurately track the videographer's face if they prefer being in front of the camera. Compact size and lightweight allow easy mobility. Travel, the 5-axis stabilization produces remarkably smooth handheld video when walking, riding in vehicles, and more. Wi-Fi connectivity lets you control the camera remotely and instantly transfer footage to mobile devices. Overall, the A7 III is a phenomenal tool for videography work ranging from cinematic productions to simple self-recordings. It essentially combines the capabilities of a high-end video camera with the convenience of a compact mirrorless system. Who should consider buying the A7 III? The Sony A7 III is a top choice for enthusiast and professional photographers wanting pro-level quality and performance in a compact mirrorless body. Photographers who regularly shoot in low light conditions or need excellent high ISO performance. Photographers who want dual card slots for instant backup, overflow recording, or separating file types. Photographers seeking incredible dynamic range and color depth for landscapes, portraits, and more. Videographers who need 4K video, slow motion recording, great autofocus, and effective stabilization. Hybrid shooters who want one camera body to serve both still and video needs. Travel photographers who demand lightweight, compact size, weather sealing, and long battery life. The A7 III is one of the most versatile cameras on the market, appealing to professionals and enthusiasts alike. It has few major weaknesses given its outstanding quality, performance, and features at this price point. For many photographers and videographers, the Sony A7 III will likely provide everything they need in a single body without compromise. Sony A7 III vs the competition. Compared to other leading full-frame cameras on the market, here is how the A7 III stacks up. vs Canon EOS R, the A7 III has faster burst shooting, better battery life, and a lower price. But the EOS R does have more megapixels and access to Canon's incredible lens selection. vs Nikon Z6, the A7 III and Z6 are extremely similar, but Sony edges out when it comes to battery capacity, AF points, and continuous shooting rate. The Nikon does have higher resolution though. In the end, the A7 III hits a compelling balance of superb quality and high performance at a very appealing price point compared to rivals. For many hybrid shooters, it represents the ideal full-frame solution without glaring weaknesses. Conclusion: a superb all-around performer. The Sony A7 III is an impressive feat of engineering and design that manages to pack so many capabilities into a compact mirrorless camera body. It truly combines the performance of some of Sony's highest-end models like the A7R III and A9, but at a more affordable price point. If you require extremely fast burst shooting or high megapixel images, then the A9 and A7R III are better choices respectively. But for everyone else, the A7 III is hard to beat as a general all-around performer. It provides speed, autofocus capabilities, video features, compact size, and reliability that few other cameras can match today. After over a year on the market, the A7 III remains Sony's most popular full-frame mirrorless camera for good reason. For both photo and video needs, it delivers outstanding results with few weaknesses. While not Sony's flagship model, the A7 III encapsulates the ethos of providing pro-level quality and features in a highly accessible package. For many hybrid shooters and professionals, this camera hits the sweet spot in Sony's lineup. So in summary, the Sony A7 III earns its reputation as a superb jack-of-all-trades camera that can capably handle anything you throw at it, from landscapes and portraits to action sports and cinematic videos. It will allow enthusiasts and professionals alike to capture incredible images and videos in the widest variety of conditions.